So I've been getting questions about what can you give me editing access to this document, and can you change certain print volumes? Usually, can you make the z-axis 400 millimeters? And I'm getting these questions a lot, so I probably made this very unintuitive, and it's probably my fault. But hear me out. So this thing is meant to work like a calculator. Every extrusion is labeled by color, and every dimension is clearly shown. So let's resolve those two problems I have with this video. So let's start with the editing axis on this document. So you go to File, you click this, and boom. Now you have a copy of the document. So yeah, pretty good, right? And then if you want the z-axis to be 400, click enter, and the recommended railings changes. And I separated the recommended railings to the purchasing railings because there are rails, but they sell in different increments. Sometimes it's 15, sometimes it's 100, sometimes it's 50 millimeter increments. And this is the recommended minimum railings. So you can go a little bit higher, like depending on if there is like this really affordable rail, but it only sells in like 100 millimeters increments, then you can say you can see that since this is for 70, you can if it only sells in 100 millimeter increments, you can say it's just 500, 400 by 400. Then then it outputs all the extrusion lengths according to your wants. And also I wanna resolve this print hole spacing thing. So it's just, if you see this carefully, it's just like this print bed hole, right? And it's just the spacing of it. And I only put the y direction because the x direction is the output of the railings. So this and this is directly linked. C13, which is this and this is directly related. So, and it's a little bit forgiving. So the only thing you should care is probably the print hole spacing for the y-axis. So that's that. And if you're making your own, then you're thinking about making it like the spacing like 410 millimeters, then it'll output the right size for it, and everything is labeled clearly, and it's just all, if you see, it's just formulas that is like labeled. So yeah, that's pretty much it.